Yeah, I think before we move to our next session, I would love to know what Decode is up to, Aman. Could you share some light on it? I know that it started as an art-based studio and now is delving into a lot of things. Maybe you can showcase some of your stuff. What's Decode really up to these days?
Oh well, after WebHub, does it count? Anything counts after whatever we show after WebHub? Anyway, I think, see, so basically, an organization, like any organization, any agency, any company, is basically the sum of, the leadership. And we, as a studio, I mean, we call ourselves a CGI studio because we do all the CGI bits all the time. But in the essence where we really want to get is basically to be a design studio, having a CGI speciality. And then when I said when I say that, of course, I'm a trained architect and industrial designer. And when we talk about CGI, architectural visualization like came to me first, because that's what I was doing during my time in the architecture college. So it was a natural for me, I think, when Decor started to start as an architectural visualization studio, of course. And then, of course, since the world is big, and there are many disciplines under design. When you start calling yourself a design studio, then you have to mix a lot of disciplines together and come out with something which can take any form. So now we are dabbling into a lot of things apart from architectural visualization, one being product visualizations, real time stuff. We are, short films, animated short films. So that's where we are at. And to actually just quickly showcase what we have, and just a glimpse for our audience as to what we're doing these days. Of course, there's a question uh, from Darren, who said we don't have quality Aquis studio in the country. So I would like to tell Darren that, hey, we do actually have a lot of good Aquis studios, and I'm gonna give a shout out to a couple of them before I end this.
Oh, that's great. That's
Yeah, so
Decode, right?
that's Decor. And of course we haven't added the short film stuff, the feature film stuff, because we can't. You know why? So probably when we meet each other next time, we'll have much more to show in all the disciplines, really, all the verticals. But that's what we have. Again, I want to give out a shout out to a couple of studios in India who are doing absolutely smashing work in our quiz. And these are all the very young studios. I'm not talking about people that we grew up with, but there are a couple of two studios really I want to give huge shout out to, doing excellent work. And due to the lack of time, we couldn't feature much of our quiz, but because we come from our quiz, one, you everyone watching this should totally check out Spacebound Labs. you know um, Absolutely smashers of people doing brilliant stuff. Aquis, check out Spacebound Labs. Second, check out Impact Studios from Ahmedabad. Spacebound Labs from Hyderabad, Impact Studios doing absolutely great work from a very long time now, um, from Ahmedabad. Check them out.